Hey guys, today I'm doing a tutorial using the infamous Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star. It looks just like this. I'm sure y'all seen it all over the gram, all over the web, period. It's a nice palette based around pretty much purples and other colors that complement purple. Yeah, I did a pretty matte eye. I used a couple of shimmery colors on the eye as well to kind of balance it out a little bit. If you guys would like to see what I did, keep watching. First, starting off with my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Today I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. It's so big. It's not that big. I just have a super close micro lens. I'm going to take Royal Pain eyeshadow, this one here. This is going to be my buffer shade. It's going directly into the crease. I'm using a super tapered brush, but feel free to use something fluffier for a lighter application of color. I'm actually taking the same exact brush, I'm dusting it off. I'm taking this color called Your Majesty. It's the lightest color in the palette up here. It's matte. I'm applying this right above that color. Taking this color called High King, I believe. Looks like that. I'm packing this on the lid using a flat brush. This is one from Sigma. It's just flat, slightly fluffy. I'm bringing it slightly up into my crease because I don't want any gaps. Next to that, I'm going to take a lighter color. This is called Scandal Water. It's this color here. It's like a periwinkle bluish type of color. I'm going to flip that brush over, dusting the color off that I just used. This is going in the center. And actually when you apply it, it's more purple. It's one of those unicorn type of colors that look different when you apply it. And when you blend it with that color, it turns even more purple. So it's a really nice color combination. As you can see, they blend together really easily. It took minimal effort. Okay, put that brush off to the side. And now I'm going in with my outer V color. I'm taking Vile Serpent. It's a matte, darker teal. What's that glare on my camera? Oh, it's the mirror. Okay, this color here. I'm taking this color with Coastal Scents BRCS08. It looks like this. Applying this to the outer V. I'm still blending it in first just to get a high intense color payoff. I'm going back into Periwinkle, the Scandal Water, which is the color I applied to the center. Going around the outside now with that crease shade I used, the Royal Pain. I'm going around that outer edge mainly because that's the part that's unblended. I'm going in back in that contour brush. I'm not applying any more color. I'm just blending it back up because it kind of vanished. Just touching up all colors. So give me a moment. For the lower lash line, I'm taking a ColourPop Cream Gel Liner. I've been using a lot of these lately. This is called Piggy Bank. It's just a purple. This is going to the lower lash line and also waterline. Bring it all the way in. I'm taking that same flat brush I used earlier and I'm smudging Blood Queen, which is this matte purple here. I've been shy in the inner corner. In the inner corner, I'm actually taking this red called Bleeding Heart. It's a shimmery red. I'm actually bringing it up too. At the highest point of my arch, I'm taking Beauty Sleep, which is this shimmery light pink here. I'm applying that at the highest point of my arch. Taking my NYX Epic Ink liner for the top liner. Taking some concealer to the bottom. This is ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Now I'm going to apply some mascara. I'm using the Urban Decay Troublemaker. That should be better for now. Now I'm going to throw in some lashes. For those, I'm using, these are from Amazon. They're the Kiwi lashes. I'll have them linked below for you. I'm taking the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Dark Zero. Just blending out the same concealer brush I used for under my eyes. Now I'm taking my Bare Minerals Made to Fit Fresh Face Liquid Foundation. I'm applying it with this Heavenly Face brush from Bare Essentials. Bare Minerals. Same thing. For highlight, I think I'm going to go with the same one I used underneath my brow. I'm going to take Beauty Sleep, this color here, with a fan brush. This is an e.l.f. one. For blush, y'all are probably tired of seeing this, but this is all I have in here. I need to swap these out. I'm just using this one from Milani. It's the Delicioso Pink Baked Powder Blush. It's just a pink. This is just a random blush brush I have. Use whatever you have. This is the MAC Patent Paint Lip Lacquer in, is that really the name of the color? 587 Lacquered Up. They normally don't have numbers. I'm gonna say 587 Lacquered Up though, because that's what it says. That's it for my look, using the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette. I like how this look turned out. I feel like it's similar to something I just did. I really hope it isn't. I always say that. I never plan my looks out. I just kind of do them as I go. Like, I'll open the palette. Okay, what am I going to do today? And then I just pick stuff at random. Hope it's not the same. But yeah, rate the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications so you don't miss anything I upload next. Talk to you soon. Thank you for watching.